Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi, is a prominent Hindu festival celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion across India, particularly in the state of Maharashtra. One of the important festivals of India, Ganesh Chaturthi marks the birth of Lord Ganesha, the elephant headed deity revered as the remover of obstacles and the Lord of wisdom and prosperity. The significance of this festival is manifold, encompassing spiritual, cultural, and social dimensions. Ganesh Chaturthi festival is celebrated to honor the birth of Lord Ganesha, the elephant headed Hindu deity revered as the Lord of wisdom and prosperity, and Vignaharta, or the remover of obstacles. The festival holds immense spiritual significance, serving as a time for devotees to seek divine blessings for wisdom, success, and the removal of life's challenges. It is also a cultural event that fosters community bonding and unity, especially in the states like Maharashtra, where it is celebrated with great passion. The historical roots of Ganesh Chaturthi can be traced back to the Maratha period, but it gained prominence as a public event during the freedom struggle against British colonial rule, thanks to Lokmanya Tilak. He transformed this festival from a private celebration into a grand public event to foster unity among Indians. The Ganesh Chaturthi festival spans over 10 days, starting from Bhadrapada Shuddha Chaturthi and culminating on Ananta Chaturdashi, each day having its own set of rituals and significance. In recent years, the festival has also been marked by a growing awareness of environmental responsibility, with many opting for eco friendly practices. One of the most popular stories behind the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi involves goddess Parvati, the consort of Lord Shiva. According to this narrative, Parvati created Ganesha from the dirt of her body to serve as a guard while she bathed. She put life into the clay figure and set him to stand guard at the entrance of her chamber. When Lord Shiva returned home, he was stopped by Ganesha, who was unaware of Shiva's identity. Enraged by the audacity of this unknown child, Shiva severed Ganesh's head in a fit of anger. When Parvati discovered what had happened, she was devastated. To console her, Shiva ordered his followers to bring the head of the first living being they encountered, which happened to be an elephant. Shiva then affixed the elephant's head onto the child's body, bringing him back to life. This act not only gave birth to Lord Ganesha but also established him as a symbol of maternal love. Another fascinating story that explains why Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated revolves around the dual roles of Ganesha as Vignakarta, that is the creator of obstacles, and Vignaharta, that is the remover of obstacles. According to this tale, the Devas approached Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati, requesting them to create a deity who could create obstacles for the Rakshasas or the demons who were causing havoc. In response, Ganesha was created. He was endowed with the power to place hurdles in the path of evil and injustice, thus serving as a Vignakarta for the demons. At the same time, he was a Vignaharta for the Devas and his devotees, removing obstacles from their path and ensuring their endeavors were successful. This story encapsulates the essence of duality in life, good and evil, justice and injustice, and places Lord Ganesha as a pivotal figure who maintains the balance. It serves as a reminder of the eternal cosmic principles that govern our lives, making the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi all the more significant. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated for 10 days to mark various aspects of Lord Ganesha's life and to honor his significance in Hindu mythology. The extended period of 10 days allows for a series of rituals, prayers, and cultural events that deepen the spiritual experience and community bonding. Each day has its own set of rituals and significance, starting from the installation of Ganesh idols on the first day to their immersion in water bodies on the 10th day, known as Ananta Chaturdashi. The final immersion symbolizes Lord Ganesha's return to Mount Kailash, the abode of his parents, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. The 10-day celebration provides ample time for devotees to engage in various forms of worship, seek blessings, and participate in community activities, making it a comprehensive and enriching experience. The standard is 10 days, but many people celebrate it for 1, 3, 5, or more days as per their wish. Historically, Ganesh Chaturthi gained prominence as a public celebration during the reign of Maratha ruler Shivaji. However, it was Lokmanya Tilak who transformed it into a grand public event to rally people against British colonial rule. Tilak recognized the festival's potential as a tool for social mobilization and used it to foster unity among Indians, making it a symbol of resistance against British rule. This added a layer of historical and political significance to the festival, making it not just a religious event but also a marker of Indian nationalism. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.